everyone, and we're back. We had a technical difficulty with our electrical circuits here, so we're back, and I hope that you are paused in terms of where we stopped at. We're now in an enclosed screen house that will give us a little more protection from nature outside. Okay, so your dish should be simmering with the shrimp in it. And now what we want to add to the shrimp is, I don't have measuring cups because I do today because of uncontrollable variables, but we use soy sauce. I'm going to put a little soy sauce in terms of what we would measure. I would say a fourth of a cup. You want to add your honey, which also is one and 1/3 tablespoon of honey. And bear with me here because now the
tent.
tent is trying to attack me. And I'm just measuring from sight. But the recipe calls for a fourth of a cup. And you just stir that and saute the shrimp into that sauce base. We also want to add our ginger, ground ginger, which is a fourth of a cup of ginger.
One teaspoon.
I'm sorry, a teaspoon of ginger. I'm sorry. Make sure that's a teaspoon of ginger. I just sprinkle lightly to equivalent to a teaspoon. And one thing that I like to add with any shrimp sauce that I'm making, and that is lemon pepper. Lemon pepper gives you the flavor, the lemon flavor added to the shrimp, which is just really taste-wise. It just have the taste, your taste buds jumping all over the place. And just sprinkle evenly over the shrimp. And I'm actually right-handed. And you let that simmer just as it is.
And it's okay to let this stick, correct, Ms. Blair? Because that's what give it that
Right, your sauce is what's going to give it the flavor when you put it over your rice. And in actuality, the shrimp base, the shrimp itself being a by-water product, food makes steam and makes water. So that gives it that sauce. That's what enables you to be able to make a sauce with it. And as you can see, there's the shrimp base. I'm going to turn the skillet down to low, because in actuality, that is your base that you put over your rice. Now, if you want it with the grilled look, as far as the shear your shrimp in a skillet just with olive oil, just to get the grill look or the sheared look, and then you can add them to your sauce base. But this is your base, and I tell you, I'll be enjoying my shrimp over rice, and I like to do the rice parfait, which is the herb and butter rice. Do your rice, your bowl of rice, put your sauce on top of it, and we will come back with you to give you the final results of the honey garlic shrimp sauce. If you have any questions, please send those questions to TBSC, the Blind Social Center, Gary, your questions, so we can answer your questions. It's been, like I say, a little challenging. I'm just glad that you had, I thank you for your patience and allowing us to be able to continue to do what we do at the Blind Social Center, and that is to assist those that like cooking and those that don't like cooking. Assist them in learning how to prepare meals that are relevantly easy for them to do with less work for them to be able to enjoy their dishes. With that, I'm going to sign off. Oh, we got the screen holder here. He's holding the screen back so it don't blow on me.
You say, huh?
So, like I said, everyone, thank you for being so patient with us. We're working to improve every week because, of course, like you said, being off-site, we have to do things a little differently now. And with the social distancing, we're trying to do things that we can think of that keeps us all connected, yet still in this day and age that we're now living in. So like I said, if you have any questions, send your questions to us. And with that, we're going to sign off.
Okay.
TBSC, and we're out.